If summer leaves you too hot and too tired to cook, you are not alone. Today I'll show you 5 gentle Japanese style dishes you can prep in about an hour with minimal stovetop and maximum nourishment. At the end of this video, I'll also share how you can mix and match these dishes throughout the week. When I start meal prep, I always begin with 2 things. I boil water in a kettle and I prepare a bowl for veggie scraps. The hot water ends up being useful for soups, blanching, or anything along the way. It really saves time. So if you are new to meal prep, I would recommend doing the prep work first, then moving on to the cooking process. In a way, you don't get overwhelmed. And if you are more experienced, you can multitask, prep no-cook dishes like salad while you are cooking on the stove. That's how I save most of my time in the kitchen. Let's start by chopping veggies. First, slice a Napa cabbage. The outer leaves of Napa cabbage are more fibrous and tough, so I usually use them for soups or stir-fries. The inner leaves, which we are going to use today, are softer and sweeter, so I often enjoy them raw in salads. Slice the core thinly and tear the leaves by hand into a zipped bag. Thinly sliced radishes. If you like, you can add julienne ginger. It gives a nice kick. But since I want my kids to eat this too, so I'm keeping it simple with just the cabbage and radishes for myself. Add salt, kombu, and a bit of sesame oil. Massage it gently, press out the air, and place it in the fridge. Leave it for at least 2 hours. Next, julienne the carrots. We'll turn this into salad with amazake later. Amazake is fermented sweet rice drink. The thinner the strips, the quicker they absorb flavor. The knife is really sharp and easy to use. If I were just starting out cooking, the 2 things I'd buy first are a sharp knife and a big cutting board that protects the blade. Both are available on my online store, so feel free to take a look. The link is in the description box. Place the carrots in a bowl, sprinkle with salt, and then mix. Let them sit until water starts to come out. So now let's finish the carrot salad. Squeeze the salad carrots and move them to a container. Add amazake and lemon juice and give it a toss. Amazake is a naturally fermented sweet rice drink. It's rich in enzyme and kind to your gut. So this carrot salad is one of my summer staple. You can top it on maybe on the grilled fish or meat, and even kids like it too, which is a win for me. And I will show you how you can assemble this salad, carrot salad, on top of the toast. So stay tuned for that. Now let's make homemade instant miso soup. Mix miso with dried veggies, seaweed, sesame seeds, dashi powder. Mix well and transfer to a container. Cover with plastic wrap and keep it in the freezer. When you want the soup, just scoop 1 tablespoon and add hot water. I would say about 1 cup. I used to roll them into little bowls and wrap each one for the conveniences, but I realized miso doesn't freeze solid, so now I just scoop them out. Miso is one of the core fermented foods in Japanese cooking. It helps digestion and brings out natural umami taste. And you can use any type of miso to your preparation. So these are perfect for solo lunches. Like whenever I don't feel like cooking for myself, I heat some rice from the freezer and scoop one of these and plate up leftovers. It become like nourishing, mindful meals just for myself. Cut mushrooms into big pieces. I recommend to use different kind of mushrooms like enoki mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and shimeji mushrooms. Add mushrooms, shiokoji, ginger, and mirin to a small pot. I just realized I'm running out of the ginger, so I will use a garlic instead. But I highly recommend to use the ginger if you're making one at home in your kitchen. Simmer until all the liquid is gone. Shiokoji is another gentle fermented seasoning. It naturally tenderizes and boosts flavor. You can use these mushrooms on top of the soba noodle or on top of the salad. I will show you how I mix and match later in this video. It's like great source of fiber and also the vitamin D, which is necessary for our bone health and the immune system. Slice chicken breast and mix with shiokoji, grated garlic, grated ginger, which we don't have one today. Massage well and store it in a freezer safe container. It lasts about 2 weeks in the freezer. 소스かけた方が美味しい？
かけへん。
かけてない行く？かっこいいトマトを食べるとこ取れるかなと思ってんだけど行かないの。そうですか、わかりました。のね、はいSo when you serve, simply just defrost and saute in a pan and then it comes out super tender. And when you want to switch up the flavor, you can add dried herbs or curry powder. So this is gonna be a simple but great protein source throughout the week. もうまた言えない。Okay, so all of these can be mixed and matched throughout the week. So let me show you just a few examples of this. Starting with mushroom chicken salad. Mix shiokoji mushrooms, cucumber, your choice of fresh herbs or leafy greens, steamed chicken, nori seaweed, add a bit of sesame oil or any oil you prefer. It's flavorful thanks to mushrooms, but if you want more salt, a splash of soy sauce works well. Now let's make a simple tofu salad to make Japanese-style breakfast. Top silicone tofu with bonito flakes and soy sauce. And that's it. And for miso soup, of course, we can scoop a tablespoon of instant miso soup we prepared into your favorite bowl. Pour in hot water and you have the soup. It's quick, but plating it nicely make it feel mindful and allow you to savor the food you make. I tend not to overeat in this style of eating. We call it Ichiju Sansai, which is a traditional Japanese eating method. And we're gonna be finishing by making carrot salad toast. Spread Greek yogurt on toast. Add the carrot salad, drizzle with olive oil and black pepper. If you need more salt, I recommend to add olives, which is my favorite. Serve with scrambled egg and cherry tomatoes for a quick breakfast. I made this thinking about vitamin A, C, and E. Great for antioxidant support. The secret to sustainable meal prep is keeping flavor gentle so you can transform each dishes as the week goes on without getting bored. What kind of meal prep do you guys do? I'd love to hear. Let me know in the comment section below. I added Shiokoji kinoko into the soup. Itadakimasu. So I just want to catch up with you guys. So you may notice I took a break from YouTube for about 2 months, and during that time I actually had a offline event, one in London and the other one is in Amsterdam. And in London I did a free miso tasting event, and in Amsterdam I did a meetup, and I got to see some of you guys, and it was very precious to me because whenever I make a video I never get to see your face. I can only see your comment and your name. So yeah, that was very special, and thanks for those who are coming all the way to just see me. And because that experience was so much fun, so I would love to do more of that kind of event. So yeah, where should I go next as a destination? Which country should I go? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye. Mata ne. Okay, so one more thing before I go. Even though I don't post on YouTube, I always update Instagram stories almost every day. So hope to see you there. Okay, bye. Mata ne.